Hello guys, Vic with PhoneArena here with a video sample shot on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro right here in Trafalgar Square, London. The phone is handheld, so we can see the stabilization and so we can get a better idea of what the colors and video quality look like on this rainy day. And let's run now. Seems to do a good job stabilizing the video. Now let's test the continuous autofocus functionality. Focusing right here. Switching to the background once again. Let's do this quicker. Okay, and now we switch to the other cameras here. We have 3 times zoom with the telephoto camera, then 5 times zoom, and then we go to the wide angle camera, the ultra wide angle camera with a 16mm focal length, so you can get a lot more in the picture. And once again, walking to test the stabilization on the ultra wide angle lens. And let's switch to the 3x. The telephoto camera also has optical stabilization on board. It has trouble focusing here. Let's stop. Let's try to tap on the screen. It's probably the rain, can't quite focus well, and now it's able to focus. And that's it guys, a quick test of the video recording capabilities of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro live from London. This is Vic with PhoneArena signing off.